Hi, my name is Sharon Bon. I'm with Dame Mas Dance in Thunder Bay, Ontario, Canada. And in today's Kizomba tutorial video, we will be talking about a step that I'm going to call the Estrela swing step. So I mentioned that today I'm going to do a step that I'm calling Estrela swing step. I don't know what the formal name for this step is. In my previous studio, we referred to it as four corners, which I found a bit of a misnomer because to me corners means that the moves go in a diagonal formation. And so it is more like a modification of the right Estrela, where you take out the taps and you add a swing step. So just to review what the right Estrela is, I'm going to turn around and I'm going to do the lead timing. So I'm going to start with my left leg. So in a regular right Estrela, you're going to go forward with a basic 3, 1, 2, tap 3. Then you're going to turn to the right immediately on 4, then back 5, tap 6. And then the complete right Estrela, you just keep doing this move, turning slowly in a circle until you get back to where you started. So in this move that I'm calling the Estrela swing step, we're going to, as I mentioned, take out the tap and we're going to add the swing step, which is this sort of motion here. So I think it's probably easier if I turn around first. And so this is my left leg for the lead timing. And so the lead would step forward, 1, 2, then turn to the right, 3, 4, then do a swing step, stepping back, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then you just keep doing that until you get back to where you started. So 1, 2, turn 3, 4, swing 5, 6, 7, 8, forward 1, 2, turn 3, 4, swing 5, 6, 7, 8, forward 1, 2, turn 3, 4, swing 5, 6, 7, 8. Now the follow timing, I will show you turned around. So we're going to start on our right leg. We're going to go back, 1, 2, then we're going to turn to the right, stepping forward, 3, 4, and then step forward to do our swing, 5, back, 6, 7, 8. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So when you do this step, you don't have to, you could break it up. You don't have to go through the entire circle, but it's a nice different step that you could use in your Kizomba dancing, and it looks really nice when danced in couple. So let's put those moves to music. hope you enjoyed that video on the Estrela swing step. For more information on classes that we offer, please visit our website at dummymassdance.ca and check us out on Facebook at Dummy Mass Dance Studio and on Instagram at Dummy Mass Dance. Thanks for watching.